Hey everyone, welcome back to the car update. The 2025 GR86 retains that classic sports car silhouette out low to the ground with a long hood and short rear overhang. Toyota has refined the exterior, giving it an aggressive front fascia with sharp LED headlights and a bold, wide grille that screams performance. Step inside, and the interior reflects the GR86's driver-first philosophy. The cockpit is minimalist but functional, with everything focused on enhancing the driving experience. You've got the 7-inch digital instrument cluster that shows all your key driving stats, from G-forces to lap times, right at your fingertips. For those who like their tech, there's also an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you're always connected on the go. The supportive sport seats hug you in all the right places, perfect for spirited drives or long road trips. Now, let's talk performance here. What the GR86 is really all about. Under the hood, the 2025 GR86 packs a 2.4-liter flat-4 engine, delivering 228 horsepower and 184 pounds-to-feet of torque. While those numbers may not seem huge, this car is all about balance and precision, not just raw power. The GR86's lightweight body and rear-wheel drive setup make it incredibly nimble. It's got one of the lowest centers of gravity in its class, meaning you can throw it into corners with confidence and come out smiling every time. The precise steering and stiff chassis deliver that true sports car feel. The 2025 GR86 also offers multiple driving modes that tailor the experience to your liking. Whether you're cruising through the city or hitting the track, there's a setting that brings out the best in the car. Even though the GR86 is all about performance, Toyota hasn't skimped on safety. The 2025 model comes equipped with Toyota's Safety Sense suite, offering features like pre-collision braking, lane departure alert, and adaptive cruise control. So, whether you're pushing the limits on a track or commuting to work, you can drive with peace of mind. So, there you have it, the 2025 Toyota GR86, a true driver's car that offers performance, precision, and plenty of fun, all while staying accessible. If you're in the market for a sports car that's as practical as it is thrilling, the GR86 should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth car reviews. What do you think of the 2025 Toyota GR86? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'll see you next time. MP3 file is formed from the first 20 characters of the text. Save the generated MP3 file to your device for storing and future use offline. Please select language and voice. Adjustable speed, pitch and pauses between sentences and paragraphs. Replace this text with yours.